Purezidenti Museveni arikukora campaign zo mu kyange kya Lango yazitandikira mu district ya Amolatar na bwanyuma nikwe kuza Dokoro kandi ogwo yatangira rw'abahagizi ba NRM na UPC. Oriyo muhwezi wa chairman wa NRM Anita Mong hamwe n'omuhwezi wa chairman Matemba Hamson Dennis Obua omuhandiiki w'ekigombe Richard Todwong n'abandi bebembezi babaroho okwakira chairman wabo.
NRM James ginkira duongloba gamubendera kwa una duonglobo omia wona tongoko medwaro.
I want to thank you so much for bringing security to Uganda. We want to thank you for the peace that you restored in northern Uganda.
Mukuru w'entebe ya katana habwa district ya Amolatar omunyekigombe wa UPC Ochen Godfrey yashobora habwa kiyayitabaharura reji nokwe kushaba president kwabakorera enguuto.
Now we want to seek commitment from His Excellency the President. What will he do to the people of Lango and especially the people of Amolatar? We have from here to Lira Regional Fire Hospital, we have 150 kilometers. So we seek to request the President to upgrade Amolatar Health Center 4 to a general hospital.
Chairman wa NRM ahabwa Amolatar Orwit Pairo weyagambira Museveni kuba kuza kumwongera obururu bwingi nukwe kushaba ngu yahiza kurahira ahabwa President nibenda bagorre kiryeri ekiro kugeita Amolatar Dokoro hamwe na district ya Kwaniya.
We have only one option now. If you can put for us one ferry, a small one, which can start from Abeja going to Kwaniya to boost the business, Your Excellency, we shall welcome you so much.
Omuhwezi wa chairman wa NRM omukyange ky'Amatemba Hamson Dennis Obua yagambe binte President Museveni akozera omukyange eki nukwe kushaba abateezi b'akaruuru okumushagika.
You fought to Lumulum. There is now peace. That is gain number one. Why we are saying Northern Uganda, Amolatar district, vote for Yoweri Kaguta Museveni.
But Donglobo is ours. And this is where the problem has been. At independence, only 9% of the homesteads were in the money economy. So agriculture is job.
So poor, ubero tuan teacher pire tek to twal.
Fishing is job.
Chikurej ubero dang teach.
So when you create wealth,
kayiri kero lonyo,
you also create jobs.
Ikelo dang teach yakina jo.
Museveni arikugambaho n'abantu yabaraganisa kubakorera oruguuto orwarira kuza Soroti oruba mushaba oku President yashoborra ekiyatandikireho program ya Parish Development Model nekyekozere ahanshonga z'ebyobwegyese okukora enguuto President yagira ngu abikozereho kandi hatamani naija gata omu by'amagara omu nkyuro erikwija.
But in the coming term, I want us to be very strict and really help our poor people. So wherever you are, stop this theft of drugs. I will set up my own spy network in addition to whatever is there to catch those who steal government drugs.
Museveni nyenchakare naija kusiba muri Arputengo na Otuke ndi Edwin Ram ahabwa TV West Agacencwire.